Okay, so again, before we start, let's make sure here we understand our place value. So we've got units, tens, hundreds, and then on the next one, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. You need to put a comma in to help you, put a comma in. So as I explained in the previous question, in the previous video, you need to make sure that you line up the correct units, tens, hundreds, and I'd probably start by writing the bigger number first. However, when you are adding, it doesn't actually matter. So 3,792 plus 486. Okay, so this time I'm just going to look at how to carry numbers. I did also mention if there is a space and you want to put a 0 in, by all means you can. This will help you when we progress to decimals. So 2 add 6 is nice and easy, that's 8. Okay, now this is the new part. We're going to have a remainder. 9 add 8 is going to give me 17. So I put the 7 there and then carry the 1. Okay, so there's my 17. So I put my 7 units there and I carry my 1, which is effectively a tens, over to the next column. Okay, I'm now going to add these together. 7 and 4 is 11, add the 1 is 12. So that gives me 2, carry my 1. Okay, then last but not least, 3 add nothing is 3, but don't forget I've got to add my 1 as well, which gives me an answer of 4. So my answer is 4,278. Okay. So one more, probably quite a lot of carrying on this one. Before I start again, I'm just going to make sure that I understand where my place value is. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 9,867. And on here, units, tens, hundreds. Okay, 789. Now, as I've said numerous times, when you're adding, it doesn't matter which round you add. Okay, but for the sake of this question, I'm going to put the larger number on top to make sure I line everything up correctly. Okay. So now I've done that, let's just double check our carry in. 7 add 9 is going to give me 16. So I put the 6 there, carry the 1 to the next column, 16. 6 and 8 is 14. Add the 1 is 15. Carry the 1. 7 and 8 is 15. Add the 1 again is 16. And then carry my 1. Now, I haven't put a 0 in here. If you want to, you can. And my advice would be, this is going to help when we do decimals, so maybe it's a good idea to do it. 9 add nothing is obviously 9. Then add the 1 is 10. Now, we're not going to carry my 1 this time to here because we've actually ended up adding all the numbers together. So my 10 ends up there. 10,656.